Hi, good morning. Yeah, today we'll see Manatakali Kire Miracle Berry. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, now see the seeds is oh my god, really miracle it will happen. When you're eating these seeds with the all the kire, very good for your stomach and especially ulcers. Who is having ulcers or stomach pain like that, you must eat this kire. It's very good. Wherever you can see my house, it's there. If you want to buy this one, you can ask in the nursery. They will give you Manatakali Kire you want to do. That's it, yeah. How to make, I'll show in the kitchen. Come on now, come. See, yeah, this is actually I already shown, but this one only, this seeds, this is only very important. See the color, this bluish color, and this is a green color. This is also, I will cut it and make the sabji. Come fast. I cut it and kept it this one, and little more is there. Just I will cut. Even though this is also I will cut and put it inside in this. Okay. See, like tomato only, yeah, that one, no, when we are cutting it, so it will be like tomato only, okay? Like this, again, I'm adding all these things inside in this. This is only good for your health, okay? Now, come on, we'll make the sabji fat. See, yeah, my kada is ready. Now I'm adding the oil. Not necessary too much of oil. 1 tablespoon oil is enough now. So I'm adding now onion. It's not hot. My kada is surbur. It's not coming. Okay. Now I'm adding the green chilies also. That is optional. Whatever you wanted, how much chili you want. Again, this is curry leaves, garlic. Crush the garlic little bit. Not much. Don't make the paste. Just crush it, and it will be nice aroma. That's it. Now you have to close this thing. Yeah. See, a half teaspoon turmeric powder. Yes. Mix it. Now I'm adding the tomato. Yeah, this is the desi tomato, not tomato we'll call. So I'm using today this not tomato because that only it will be very nice for this kire. Okay, this greens actually. Otherwise, you can use the raw mango also. That is also one optional. When you're using the Bangalore tomato, that time definitely you must use the turmeric little bit. Otherwise, you can use the raw mango little. Then only the taste is yum, yeah. Okay. Now, first you have to do this one properly. So, here itself, I will add the salt. I'm using the both mixed salts and Tata and pink salt. Okay. Yeah, when you're putting the salt, very careful. When you are doing greens, absorb very less salt. That I don't know. Previously, I don't know. So many times I do same mistake only. My kids they never used to eat. Even I can't eat. Then how they will eat? No, that is one big problem. Okay. Yeah. But very easy and healthy dish. This one. Man takkali. Okay. See now. Little bit after that you can add the grains. That's all over. See this one the consistency because when you're adding the salt, the moisture will come. Because of that only before I will add the salt. Now we can add this greens. Okay. Now ready. See slowly you have to. This is very thick, not like other things actually. And I'm not able to tell. In Telugu, we'll say vagaru. In Tamil, kasakadu. In English, I don't know. I'm finding out, but I'm not getting it. Not bitter. This is bitter is different actually. You people can tell me, yeah, what is that word, please? Okay, search it and tell me. That's it. This is because why I'm using the glass, no, cutter because very easy and very nice also when you're putting in this. Very clear. So again we have to mix. See. Yeah. Not necessary use any water. Same thing only in the medium flame you have to keep it and close the lid. I told you before itself you want to add the raw mango also very tasty. I have but I don't want to confusion so much, then I'm adding only tomato, okay? Desi tomato. That's it, yeah. See, yeah, I always use this steam only. I used to tell, just close the lid, then use the steam like this. Don't waste that. Okay, now. See now, because the water, not necessary add any water in this. See now the color also. Now I am adding the chilli powder. I like chilli powder and jeera powder because of that only. Not necessary for you people. See, yeah, I am using little bit. Yeah. Now again I am using the jeera powder. See. Again close the lid a little while. See, yeah, so dry, no oil, not much oil. So healthy people can watch this one. Not for healthy also, yeah, it's very, good for your health and not require at all more oils and using and all unnecessarily. Why should we use the more oils? Isn't it? So I cut off little bit. I'm not telling that I'm not using. Definitely I will use, but even though you have to, not necessary there, I will cut it. That's it. Now again make the medium flame and keep it 5 minutes. That's it, your man takali keera is ready. See, yeah, this is consistency. Now we'll try, okay? See. Now switch off the gas and close the lid and I will try, yeah. See. Actually with the mango means I love it. Today I didn't even try with the mango. So close it. Now will we have a come. This side only it has to come. So we'll try with the rice. Today I'm using white rice because very less. Very, very tasty. You people can try this healthy manatakali kire. Next is, please add the mango, raw mango, also very tasty. If somebody rice the tangy, like, some taste, beautiful that one. Okay, that's it. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy.